Yes, welcome again to my tutorial. Yeah, my name is Joe Fox at Easy. Yeah, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a Caribbean type beat. Yeah, it is Rayvanny and Zuchu song called a number one. Yeah, this is a trending song. It's collabo between Rayvanny and Zuchu. Yeah, so I just use it as a reference. Yeah, it's reggaeton type beat, I can say that. Yeah, so thank you for being connected with me, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my name is Joe Fox TZ, and without use your time for main explanation and for blah blah blah. So let's go and see what I have prepared for today. Thank you. Yes, I just played 13 things. It is somehow I can say many things I just played. So, but no, it is time to grow. Yeah, so first one I just start with my drum groove, and I'm going to show you how I arrange this as my drum grooves. It here, sorry, I just put here my what? Yeah, so just forget to put it here. So here it sounds. Yeah, so I just use close the hi-hat, then thumb hit and the snare, and finish with my kick that I get. So after that, I play my drums. This one, so this done to another. Since this is electric piano effects. Yeah, after that, I jump to this one more steel guitar. Yeah, so after I play this steel guitar, I play my deep bass on side tracks. So after that, I add this one from Nexus strings. Yeah. So let's go to this one. Steel guitar. Also. Yes, simple like this one. After that, I add recordings, orchestra, etc. Yeah, so after that, I add this one, jazz, perfect. Yeah, so after that, I just add also on that jazz. I just play this one. I just form my chord progression as you see. Yeah. So after that, I just play this whistle and this one, and then put it whistle. Also next one we dance with the color. Yeah, so for that I just play this purity tremor. Yeah, this tremolo swings. Yeah, so after that I just play this one guitar. Is for interest. So purity, I just play. Yeah. It's not exactly, but I just try it because it's so for that I added. Yeah, so this is for intro. Yeah, so intro. Yeah, simple. For that, I just play this one pad one pad from purity. And this song is produced by Liza. Also, someone like three producers sit for this project. Yeah, it was good. So let's hear how I made this. So the intro is going like this one. That is the chorus. Yeah, so this is what I prepared for today. So thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So also like this video, and also if you like the video, give a chance this video to go viral. And reach more people who want to hear what I'm doing, to watch or what I'm doing, to be helping for each other. So thank you guys. Yeah, we meet in another tutorial. So yeah, ciao.